Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Roblox error 901 on your Xbox One. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to unlink and sign back into your Roblox account. And to do that, just simply follow the steps that I am going to show you. So first, on the Roblox main page, just simply click onto the settings option present at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then after that, in the settings window, click onto the account tab, and then after that, simply click onto the unlink option right here, and a confirmation prompt will open up, and press confirm to unlink your Roblox account. And that is it for the first fix. And the next, what you can do is to update your Roblox. So to do that, just go to the settings section on your Xbox One and click onto the updates and download, and under updates, just select your game and click on the migrate to the latest update. So after installing, log into your Roblox and see if the Roblox error code 901 still appears. And then lastly, what you can do is to check the Roblox network connection. So first up, enter the settings on your Xbox, and then in the settings, just simply click on the general and click on to the network settings. And in the network tab, click onto the test network speed and statistics, and now the screen will display details regarding your internet connection. So in case the connection is unstable, just try connecting your console to the internet again. One unstable internet connection is another fundamental reason behind your screen displaying the error code 901 in your Roblox. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.